name is Anand Vijay. In this video lecture, we have focused on to the types of non-impact printer category. Here on the screen, you have find out and see these are the non-impact printer type, that is the thermal printer, inkjet printer, laser printer, and 3D printer. These are the category of non-impact printer. First, we start with the thermal printer. The thermal printer is such kind of printer which are working onto the heat sensitive paper. What the basic phenomena of this printer is what? It contains the toner. Toner is the ink. Ink of the printer. It contains the toner in the form of wax. And when the paper come onto the direct touch of this wax, it create a sensible things over the paper. It is created by the sensation by the paper, and the wax is due to sensation. The wax are going to melted, and whatever the scan internally scanned by this printer, internally scan the same amount of wax will be melted in the ink format, and after that the heated roller pass onto this one and make the whatever the soft copy output, it can be created or printed onto the paper. That is the hard copy output. So it is the very expensive printer, and such kind of location where the temperature are very good down like a freezing point, that location the mostly I think the thermal printer can be used, because it contains the printing mechanism is the paper contains the heat sensitive paper. Okay, and it's melted the wax in the toner form or ink form, and that is going to the ultimate use for the print the people, print the content. The next one is the inkjet printer. What the inkjet printer? The inkjet printer is normally commonly used in the offices. It has the better quality comparison to the thermal printer, and it contains the electrically charging. What the basic principle of this printer is also followed. Whatever the text or things or a image, whatever display onto the screen, it going to the scan internally, and it create the during scan that create the thousands of dots. According to that dots is the combinations of zeros and ones form, and according to dot the same amount of electrically charged ink is spread over the paper, and the same operation the heated roller pass onto the that paper, and whatever the content we have visible onto the monitor screen, it is exactly print onto the paper, and the toner whatever the electrically charging, that is called cartridge. Okay, and it is the both combination. It is the black cartridge is also used to print the black and white kind of output, and there are the color kind of toners also available. Color kind of inks are also available to this inkjet printer, and it can capable to print the colorful manner of the output. And most of things, the home and offices, the cartridge is quite costly. It needs to be the replaced more frequently as the laser printer. Like cartridge is that means the ink of this printer is very costly in the colorful manner, not a black and white manner of the ink, but the colorful manner it is the costly. So most of offices use this kind of printer, but the better quality of the laser printer contains the toner in the form of black carbon powder, and it provides the better quality of the output, and you can find out the quality output is the very good, and the same mechanism of the printing process that are associated with the laser printer. It also creates the thousands of dots during the scanning process, and after against the dot, it can be spread the black carbon powder onto the paper, and heated roller pass onto this one and create the whatever the information that are the screen visually display onto the monitor screen in the form of soft copy. Now you get in the form of hard copy, and the resolution of this is the 6 process of this printer is 600 to 1200 dpi dot per inch. What is the resolution that student, if we focus on the whatever the character in the per inch it can be formed during the printing, that is called resolution. So it provides the 600 to minimum the 600 dot per inch it can be created on the maximum 1200, whereas the inch it is the only 300 dpi dot per inch it has created. So the laser printer has a very sharp and better quality produce comparing to the inkjet printer, and the speed of printing speed is the about the 6 to 10 pages per minute. Within a minute it can be capable to minimum print the 6 copies of a same content and the maximum 10 copy of the same content. Now this is the 3D printer. It is a very costly printer, and basically it is not used in the normal way. It is basically used to build the model because the clay kind of things are used here to design the model, and it is the very long process to create a model. It is the 3D printers are remarkable machine that can be everything in the different material in all the form. Objects are created in the 3D using additive process. In this process, an object is created by laying down the successive layers of the material until an object entitlement. Here it can be mentioned the successive layer. That means one layer, after that next layer, then next layer it can be, and finally it can be create the whatever you have seen onto the screen in the same form of model it can be created. So it takes the time, and basically it can be used in the gaming industry. The toys are making whatever the toys through this kind of printer, and it takes the lots of time and it is very costly. Okay, so that's all for in this video lecture today. In next video lecture we have seen the speakers, plotters and the rest of things related to the output devices. Thank you and have a